Welcome to the June 2025 Hero Studio die set of the month called Summer Memories. Let's take a look at this month's product. This set includes 15 cutting dies that build a playful instant style camera, photo frames, and vacation themed accents. The assembled camera is approximately 3.5 inches wide by 2.5 inches tall, making it a bold and fun focal point for an A2 sized card. It's super versatile, great for everyday cards, birthdays, thank you notes, and more. Let's make a card together using this month's die set. First, cut your pieces from your favorite colors of cardstock. Using liquid glue, put together the pieces of your camera. This small semicircle is going to layer over the cord that holds our camera. Layer it over the indicated spot. These pieces are going to layer together to create our lens area. On the camera, there are embossed details that show you where to place everything. Starting with the large circle, I will add glue to the back and layer it over the embossed image. Next, I will add this small white rectangle to our next smallest circle. Using a wax pickup tool is helpful to place items. Add glue to the back of the piece and then adhere it over the embossed image. Next, add glue to the back of the small black circle and inset it inside of that light pink circle. This small circle that I've cut off camera from gray cardstock comes from the very center of this die that cuts out the larger black circle. I cut it a second time using gray cardstock. Add a dot of glue to the center and then adhere the small gray circle. This small oval piece will go on the embossed detail just below the lens. Add a few dots of glue, then layer your piece on top. Similar to the black circle, this die cuts out many different small pieces. I've cut this die a second time from white cardstock so that I can layer the small white circle over the slightly larger circle that is cut from colored cardstock. After adding a dot of glue, I use my tool to pick it up and put it over the top. Add some glue to the embossed detail on the camera that matches and pick the entire piece up and lay it over the embossed detail. This small rectangle will layer over the larger rectangle, and then I will layer that on the embossed detail. Add glue for the flash and adhere it to your camera. Add a dot of glue to the two small embossed details on this oval and then pick up and place the two tiny black circles on top. Add glue to the embossed detail and then layer the piece over the top on the camera. Add a dot of glue to the end of your strap that you've created and adhere it to the back of your camera. Next, put together your two pictures. Start by adding glue to the back of the frame and then layering the frame over the background piece. Repeat the process for your second photo. Add glue to the back of the sand piece for your first photo and inset it at the bottom of the frame. Add glue to the back of the white break piece that creates a break in between the sand and the water and inset it to your photo. Add glue to the back of your water and inset it inside of your photo, lining it up with the break line. Lastly, add glue to the back of your sun and set it at the center of your horizon line. For your second photo, start by adding glue to the back of the detail layer of your seashell. Dab off any excess glue and then layer it on top of the full seashell layer. Add glue to the back of your seashell and adhere it to the center of your photo frame. These two pictures are so cute and fun. You could even use your own photographs from home to create special small pictures for your card. Stamp and die cut a sentiment that goes well with your card. I chose Girls Just Wanna Have Sun from the June 2025 card kit of the month. Add foam to the back of your camera and adhere it to the front of your card background towards the top at a slight angle. Add foam tape to the bottom part of the back of your sunset picture. Then add it at a slight angle towards the bottom right-hand corner. Add foam tape to the top of your seashell picture and adhere it towards the left-hand side at an angle. Add glue to the back of your sentiment and adhere it towards the bottom center of your card, layering over your two photographs. For added shine, add a grouping of 3 aqua enamel dots towards the top and 2 aqua enamel dots towards the bottom. And you're done! The June 2025 die set of the month is perfect for creating fun summer cards that any of your friends would enjoy. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.